This is a Northwest 97 tutorial on how to download new airplane liveries onto your flight simulator. So we're going to use the website fsfreeware.net. And we're going to get a download for the flight simulator default Cessna Skyhawk 172. So we're going to go over here to the search and type in 172. Search. And let's find one. You gotta make sure it says textures, or else you could get a plane that could be for the an original airplane or a textures for some other kind of plane. So we'll get the Cessna C-172N Hungarian private livery. It says in the description, FSX Cessna C-172N Hungarian private livery. This is a repaint for the default FSX Cessna 172. So we know it'll work for the default. So we're going to download it now. And while that's downloading, we'll go to computer. It's done. Alright, so we already have the file, it's all set up, but now we gotta go to the flight simulator folder. So we're gonna go to your computer, HP, Program Files, Microsoft Games, Microsoft Flight Simulator X, and then we're going to Sim Objects, Airplanes, and now we're going to find the Cessna 172 default. So I have a lot of planes, it takes a lot of time to go through them. And then when you find it, there's the folder right there, it says C172. Double click on that, and now we're going to open up this. This is the download we got, and as you can see, it includes a few pictures just to show you what it looks like. There's the real-life version, and here we have the simulator version. And so the first thing you're going to do is you'll see a folder that's labeled texture.something. This one's texture.6. So you're going to drag the texture over into the Cessna 172 folder you have set up already, and then hit yes. Now this is where it gets kind of tricky. We're going to go to the README section, and in here there should be something that starts with, in brackets, it should say flight sim dot something, and and various sort of things. Just it's highlighted right here on my screen, so just take a look at that real quick, and it should end with the description at the bottom. So what we're going to do is go all the way to the end, copy and paste, copy this, and now we're not using it, so we can exit out of it, and we can exit out of the downloaded file, and now we have this, the computer folder left. So from here, we're going to go click on the aircraft. It'll say aircraft, and to the left of it, the icon is sort of like looking like a calendar type thing, and when you open that, you'll have a long list of all of the different liveries you have for the Flight Sim Cessna Skyhawk. And these are all the ones you've already had. So you're going to go to the last one on the list that says the Flight Sim in the brackets. And for me it's 5. It says Flight Sim 5 right here. You can see it. And you're going to remember that. The last one's 5 on your list. So now we're going to paste this one in. The one we just downloaded. Paste. And as you can see, it's at the top. Now, usually it'll say flightsim.x, and you're going to change that to the next one that would be on the list. So, as I said before, the last one on my list right now is flightsim 5. So, we're going to scroll back up and change this one to flightsim, change the X just to 6. Now it should say Flight Sim 6. And now what we're going to do is hit File, and save. And now it's all saved in, and the download should work. And I'm going to pause it now, and I'll show you and we'll see if it works. So, okay, we're back again, and as you can see, I've opened up my flight simulator, and the download worked. Here it is, right there, the Hungarian private plane thing. So, as you can see, the whole description, everything, it's all worked, it's flyable, everything works. So, I hope this tutorial helped you. Subscribe to the Northwest 97 channel for more tutorials and great aviation videos, and we'll see you next time.